Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. My name is Samuel Okoyeocha, reaching for Land of the Rising Sun. Today is Saturday, the 22nd day of November 2025. The year is coming to an end. I want to bring you my weekly analysis, my view on the market, my view, the way I trade, the way I analyze. Remember, it's not a financial advice. If you trade along with me, it means you are taking risk with me because the trading is full of risk. Sometimes you gain, sometimes you lose. So not, but if you have the knowledge, when you lose, you lose small. When you gain much. And out of 10 trades, if you have the knowledge, you will gain 7, 6, or 8. If you lose more than you gain, then you need to go back to seek for knowledge. Okay. I also offer mentorship. If you want to learn from me, you contact me. You see my number on the bio. You also see my Telegram links. They are free. You join there. I share chats from time to time. Okay, that's all for now. So let's go to the business. This is a daily chart on DSY. That's the pair we start with every week. DSY is always our first pair. Okay. As you can see, the market is going up. It is a correction. This is a kind of flat. So once a little move up, then the market will begin to go down. Then after going down, that's when we will see a very big move up. So for now, this is what I'm looking for. So now the market is getting ready for selling once more. So looking at 1 hour, 1 hour time frame, we expect it to give us another move up. Another move up before the selling will start. So the market is already inside the reversal zone. So, but this is wave 3 to me, then this is wave 4. So wave 5 is what I'm looking for. So for that reason, I don't want to sell unless the market goes down below this place. If it goes below this place, below 99.993, then I will assume that the wave 5 has ended here. Wave 5 can end even below the wave 3. We call it truncation, but this is already above wave 3. So we can have a short wave 3. Sorry, a short wave 5. It's possible, but I don't want to assume. I want the market to prove itself. Closing below here, then I will look for sell. USD card, the same thing. I want to see it go up a little. Even if it doesn't go up above this place, it can, because now let me tell you a reason. This is wave 1, A, B, C. Wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So this to me is set, but not to avoid not having unnecessary risks. Allow it to break this place, then it will be the time to sell, and the selling will be a great one, a great deal. Meanwhile, if you go over to 15 minutes time frame, you can buy at a better rate because it can retrace further again, maybe to this zone, then before it will drop. Okay, it depends on the time you have and the skill you possess. USD chef, similar thing on USD chef. It have shown that the market has completed the move. I'm going down. completed wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and wave 5. Unless the wave 5 will extend. If not, the selling have started. But in order not to make a mistake, allow it to break the low of wave 4. Below this place, you can now look for sell because we can get a higher wave 5. In that case, this is wave 1 of 5. We may get wave 2 of 5, 3 of 5, 4 of 5, 5 of 5. In that case, we see a diagonal. So before the selling. But if the market goes below this place, then this diagonal will no longer occur. So don't assume for the market. Allow the market to finish what it is doing. Don't presume that it has finished until you confirm that it has finished. USD, remember, is always opposite DXY. That's the dollar index or USD chair or USD card. They always go opposite. So looking at this, it seems to have a complete structure already. Take a look. This is wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. So now the question is wave 5 completed or can it extend? Can it be wave 1 of 5, wave 2 of 5, wave 3 of 5, wave 4 of 5, wave 5 of 5, thereby giving us diagonal, just like what I show you on our USD card or USD chef. So can we get this type of move or are we done? So if it goes above this place, I will assume it has finished. Then I will look for wave 2 because it will not be wave 1. I will look for wave 2, then I will buy. So, but let's allow it to finish. Okay, I think I'll also show you daily chart on this one. Okay, you can see the daily chart. The daily chart looks bearish. It seems we will get below 1.14708. We may go below it, but if you see the price above 1.15504, then it means that this is wave 1 and this is wave 2. So let's just be patient and follow it. Don't jump in. Be patient because market will also be there to trade. Once you confirm that your account is okay, then you can now begin to trade. Pounds USD, the similar situation, but Pounds USD seems that it is clear that it will give us a new low. For instance, it's a perfect count with 1, with 2, what we call running flat. Then with 3, with 4, then with 5 is not completed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in daily time frame, it's clear that it is going to drop, make a new low. It is going to go below 1.3008. So let me go to 4 hours. So on 4 hours, we also have subwaves of the last 50 wave, which can be clearly seen here. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. The wave 4 may have finished this place, or it will go a little higher. Then we get wave 5, which will definitely go below this place. So be patient. You can sell from here, but if you are selling, the market is at the reversal zone. This is the reversal zone. When the market is at the reversal zone, when you're trading it, just be very careful. Don't be greedy. because truncation can occur anytime. Truncation is when wave 5 closes before the end of wave 3. So here is wave 3. So wave 5 is supposed to go below it. But in the case of truncation, wave 5 can end around here. Then it begins to go up. So be guided and not make an unnecessary mistake. AUD USD, let me check daily. AUD USD still have a very big move to make, but I think it will truncate. Once Euro USD, pounds USD begin to go up, it will truncate. But let's watch and see whether it will drop to 0.63547, 62922 zone. Let's keep watching. So about 4 hours, is making 3 waves, or maybe let's say whether we have 5 waves, because this looks like 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which can be a kind of diagonal. I don't know. So let's watch what happens around here. That will determine whether the market will truncate, because it have entered a reversal zone. This reversal zone is between this and this. It's a reversal zone. But the entire move, this entire move shows that it will go lower than where it touched before going up. Okay, so let's news on the USD. Let's check daily. News on the USD have entered the reversal zone. That's one of the reasons I said that USD may truncate, because market doesn't move on isolation. There's conference, there is there are pairs that goes with each other. So let's keep watching. This seems to have completed all the move. Let me go to 4 hours and 1 hour. Okay. So now, something little that I want to show you is that we may go, we will still go deeper inside this value zone. If it will make the normal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it will now drop deeper before going up. Okay, but not guaranteed. Once the market is inside the reversal zone, it can reverse at any time. The reversal zone is where you need to be careful as you trade. Let me check 1 hour. 1 hour has completed the 5 waves. You know, you can see we have 5 waves on 1 hour. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Okay, or maybe this can be wave 3, a sub-wave. In that case, this is wave, another wave 1, a bigger wave, another wave 2, then wave 3, wave 4, and 5. So in any case, either can uh, take the day. So let's keep watching. By Tuesday, we will know. By Monday, I think Monday should be a day to watch the market direction. Okay, because on Monday, I think what happened on Friday will complete on Monday. Then by Tuesday, we know where the market is going. So I'm showing you every possible move. Euro JPY. Okay, I think it is in the reversal zone. What does that tell us? It means we may we may still go deeper inside it before dropping. Okay. Or it begin to drop from here. Okay, so I don't know. So let's go to 1 hour time frame to check. Okay, 1 hour time frame has made a significant drop. So it's likely this will be either wave 1 or wave A. Then this will be wave 2 or wave B. So if it is wave B, AB, then we get something like this. Then go up again. But if this is wave 1, then and this is wave 2, then we get wave 3, something bigger, something like this. So let's keep watching. USD JPY. The same situation is either this is wave 1, 2, or this can be wave A, B, C, and 5. Okay, let me check the daily. So watching the daily, just like USJPY, there are signs of the market that have reversed. There are signs that the markets have reversed, but I cannot assume it have reversed because in this in the 4 hour time frame we can see wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. We don't see 4, then wave 4, which might still be developing. Then we haven't seen 5. So that's why I said that I have to cool down and watch closely what happens on our time frame. So to me, on this very one, USJPY, I'm seeing this as wave A, wave B, wave C, which is a bigger wave 4. Then we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 before the selling. Okay. So let's be guided. Pounds JPY. Pounds JPY. Let's check daily. The same, all the gem pairs are doing the same thing. Now, this is daily chart, and this is clear enough. 1, 2, 3, WXY, 4 is clear with 4. Then the question is this wave 5 over? Possibly it is over. Another possibility, it can extend. This can be wave 1 of 5. Then we get wave 2 of 5, 3 of 5, 4 of 5, 5 of 5. But they're giving us ending diagonal. I don't know whether it will happen or not. So in this case, we go to 1 hour time frame, monitor it based on lower time frame. So 1 hour time frame is showing us something like 5 waves. Okay, this looks like 5 waves. Wave 1, wave 2, internal wave 1 again, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, making it a bigger wave 1, 2, 3. Then we expect A, B, C, wave 4, wave 5. Then this is what I'm expecting. From here, the market will go up. But if this happens to be, that is, if this is an ABC, you know, wave 5 is wave 1 and wave A is always the same 5 waves. So if this is ABC, we get a big move up. But if this go down, it's become wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. Then we expect wave 4. Then wave 5. Somewhere here. So let's watch what happens here. We determine whether this will happen or this. If this happens, forget about this. It won't happen again. It means that wave 5 have completed here. So all these things we teach you when you join us. You pay the 2 money, you get the knowledge. not wasting your money trying to force yourself to know it. All of us that make all this analysis, we spend a lot of money and time learning. In my mentorship program, I only charge $500 once and for all. Even if you don't learn fast, even if it will take you 2 years to learn, fine. If you learn fast, within 6 months, 1 year, you are okay. And I only charge once because I know many people cannot afford to pay higher. I paid higher to learn. And I don't want to do that because I know how I suffered to pay to learn. But what is not good at is trying to force yourself to trade. The money you use to pay the mentor, you are losing it in the market. There's no money to pay the for mentorship, but you lose thousands of dollars because you think it is easy. Looking at it, it is easy, but when you begin to trade, you see it is not easy. So gold, let's continue. Gold, this is what we are looking for. This drop to give us A, B, C. So gold, I'm looking forward to 3,759, 3,643 zone before another buying. Okay, that's what I can see on gold. So this wave 5 will now begin to complete. So let's check 4 hours. 4 hours, it has also started to move. So now, this is the first drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. With one of the C leg. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is wave A. And this is wave B. Then wave C is what we are looking for. So this is wave one of C. Then now the question is this wave 2 or will it make higher? Something like this as wave 2. Well, I don't know. But what I will tell you that if you are trading this, your stop loss should be here. It is far. It's either if you entered the market and haven't closed it, your stop loss should be here. It is far. But if it is here, it can close it and begin to go down. Then you will say, whenever I enter market, they will close it. Nobody is closing it. Nobody. There's nothing like stop loss hunt. People say it. I laugh. There's a market makers. They will hunt your stop loss. Nobody's hunting your stop loss. Anyway, leave it. Then or else you wait for this place. When this place is broken, it's not confirmed that this is wave 1 and this is wave 2. As long as here this way have not been broken, there's no confirmation to say that here is wave 1. It is just guessing. Okay, so be guided. There's money to make, but you will be careful to make the money to avoid losing unnecessarily. Okay, so